How to remove your sponsor on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's delve into the steps required to remove or change a sponsor within your Cash App account. So firstly, ensure that you're logged into your specific account. To initiate the process of altering or removing a sponsor, locate and tap on the profile icon within the app. From there, navigate to the support section, and upon selecting the support option, a list of choices will appear. Offer something else to connect with a support agent. Next, scroll through the options until you find the cash card selection. Choose to contact the support under the Not About a Transaction category, and by initiating a chat, you can communicate with the support agent. Clearly articulate your situation, specifying that you intend to remove a sponsorship or require the assistance regarding a sponsored account. So it's really important to note that the Cash App currently does not provide in-app solution for the sponsor removal. However, additional information can be available on the Cash App website. Take the initiative to follow the steps and give it a try. Thank you sincerely for your attention and engaging with this process. Your proactive approach to managing your Cash App account is truly appreciated.